Hey Coder fans, Dave R here. I want to walk you through our beta release of Coder Agents. So Coder Agents is a native AI coding agent that runs on your self-hosted infrastructure. The agent operates from the coder control plane and provisions workspaces only when code execution is required. Developers and external services can complete tasks like writing code, generating tests, and opening pull requests without sending source code or prompts outside of their environment. For workspaces, no specialized software, API keys, or network access is required inside your workspace. The only requirement is network access between the control plane and external LLM providers. Let's see this in action. I'm logged into my Coder deployment and have no workspaces created. To get started, I'll select the Agents tab from my dashboard. With Coder, you have the flexibility to bring your own LLM, and as you can see, I have several to choose from. For this exercise, I'll select Opus 4.6, and for the prompt, I'll ask the agent to clone my repository, run the application, provide a URL so I can access my app, and list all of the current issues in the repository. Once this is kicked off, the agent will locate the proper workspace template and create a workspace with all the correct tools and dependencies. Now that the workspace is provisioned, I have a URL which I can use to access my application, and the agent has listed all of the current issues that have been created for this app. From here, I can prompt the agent to fix one of the issues, or I can connect to the workspace directly. When I navigate back to the workspace's dashboard, I can see the workspace that the agent automatically created. This agent-created workspace uses the same secure connection path as any Coder workspace. This allows you to seamlessly connect with your preferred IDE, and in this case, I'm using my VS Code desktop. With Coder Agents, I can have multiple agent work streams running concurrently in different projects, all with developer control. Stay tuned for more, and thanks for watching.